I will not leave. Hold on, wait a second, I'ma be right here today. Cause they know one thing, that I'll never fade away. Everywhere I go, they be like, Bobby in the game. All they wanna do is criticize how I play. Hold up, open up the trunk, and all they do is jump. I open up the trunk, and all they do is jump. To me, they is a punk, so I just sit back. If I could just let go, man, off the back. I understand that they gonna hate his chit-chat, but then again, I am monotone, just a chat. And if they got a problem, this is where the fuck I'm at. Midtown on the K to the B, bitch, on the map. And I thought you were my family. To family, had to show me things the family was supposed to be. You criticize the way I lead. I meant, you wanna be like me, and then again, you don't see the things I see. Because I know that you was not a key, and I won't change. Because I'm the streets. So listen to me, just listen to me, man. Listen to me, that's all I'm trying to say. They be like, Bobby, oh man, get the fuck away. I can't leave, I won't leave, I'm right here, I'm posted in my fucking lane. And this is who I was before you couldn't understand. And this is what it was before you said I was the man. I walk into another episode and then it's like, I gotta give it up, I can't do this, I take flights. I'm off in the wind, off on again, off to another friend, one that he says, but he ain't. He is just pretend. I try not to sin, try not to go in. Then again, when they say I did it, bitch, I did it then. Okay, this is me. I gave it up for. I give a fuck, but I still give a fuck for. I'm about to hit them with a lightning bolt. Call your boy Thor if they really got a lightning force. Hey, if I could hopefully just leave these streets in behind me, then I will be king. Cause I know what y'all see in me, and I know what I be. Right here in I be. Listen, I'm fucking done, bro. Man, it's the third verse, it's the way it goes. It's me and mine, I gotta go hard. So I gotta show everyone out here got exposed. Ayy, the streets for the way they really are. The only real dog is in my front yard. I posted in the front. You posted in the front? Well, I ain't see you nowhere, bitch. Go and jump. I back you a bit. I make you jump a bit. You supposed to be my family. Well, I think you sick. My name is Little Sick, but I'm grown up a bit. Switch it up, it's Weatherman, dog, and I run the clip. You know why I say I run it? Because these haters out here, they ain't prove different, dog, and I stay around here. Hey, when I say I'm Coleman District, my trailer's right there, bitch. Yeah, come and get it. Or you can meet me right here on the south side. I'm down here in the southwest, bitch. I'm right posted outside. You see the trailer, dog? It don't even matter, cause I've been right here. And yeah, I'm passing the ladder. I don't want none of your haters right here in my game. So right here's where I choose to, right here in my lane. So fuck it, I'm patient, I'm vicious, I'm lifted, I'm gifted, I get it. You know, I spit it, give it. If I did it, I did it. If I did it, I did it. Well fuck, admit it. Cause they don't want out here real than me, Facebook. Fuck you, Karen. Fucking you, fuck face. Done. This is number one.